Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. Step back on your left foot as you bring your right arm up with your elbow slightly bent and your palm facing up, then slide your right foot back as well. With your right arm behind your back, hold your left elbow with your right hand as you look to the left and bend your right knee in time with the music. Continue to bend your right knee in time with the music for the next 8 counts. Bring both arms up with your elbows bent and your palms facing up, then take 3 steps forward, starting on the right foot. Swing your right arm in a counterclockwise circle above your head as you move your left arm around the left side of your face and turn slightly to the left. Bring your right hand down to your left shoulder, then slide it across your chest to your right shoulder. Begin kneeling down on your left knee, but switch to your right knee so that you return to the left, then slide your right hand up your right hip as you stand back up. While turned slightly to the right, kick back with your right foot, then bring it back down as you begin to twirl your hands up and to the right. Continue to twirl your hands as you bring your right foot up and down again and pivot on your left foot a bit, then do this once more so that you return to the left. Step in this manner one more time, but bring your arms up above your head with your elbows bent. Step in place on your left foot, then bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Quickly step forward on your left foot, keeping your arms up and turning your upper body slightly to the right. Step in place on your right foot, then bring your left foot back to meet it before stepping forward on your right foot and turning your upper body slightly to the left. Step in place on your left foot, then, while still turned slightly to the left, bring your right foot back to meet it. Swing your right arm from right to left and turn to the left until your back is to the camera, then clap twice up and to the right. Repeat the first 4 counts of section 1 of part 1. Wait 1 count, then bring your right hand over to the left, close it into a fist, and pull it back to the right. Roll your body as you move your hand down. Repeat the last 2 counts of section 1 of part 1. Repeat the first 4 counts of section 2 of part 1. While facing to the right, move your left arm out behind you, then move your right arm out in front of you, keeping your elbows and wrists slightly bent. Turn to the left so that you are facing the camera, then repeat the last 2 counts of section 2 of part 1, but tilt your head to the left. Step over to the right with your right foot as you bring your right fist up near the left side of your face,
then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you pull your right fist down and to the right. Repeat this move on the left, then bend your knees and put both hands on your head. Stand up straight again as you bring your hands around either side of your face and down. While turned slightly to the left, bend your left knee, then bring your right fist over to the left before pulling your arm over to the right. Keeping your elbow bent, spin your right arm in 2 clockwise circles, then punch upward with your right fist. Bend your knees as far as you can, then quickly jump back up, bringing your feet apart as you swing your right arm up and back. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. With your hands near your chest, move your left hand in and up and your right hand in and down as you shake your hips to the left and right. Do this once again. Step forward on your right foot as you roll your arms, then step forward on your left foot as you point down with your right hand. Bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you swing your right arm up and back. Step over to the right with your right foot as you swing your arms down and to the right, then bring your left foot over to meet it. Step over to the left with your left foot as you swing your arms down and to the left, then bring your right foot over to meet it, turning to the left as you do so. Step toward the camera with your right foot and extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with your palm facing the camera, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Now step away from the camera with your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it as you curl the fingers of your right hand in. Turn to the right and take a step forward on your right foot, then your left foot, then step back with your left foot so that you are facing the camera again. Swing your right arm up and over to the left as you turn to the left. Move your right arm up, then bend your elbow to bring your hand near your head. Turn your right hand in a clockwise circle, then turn to face the camera and swing both of your arms above your head in 2 clockwise circles, spinning to the right until you face the camera as you make the second circle. Repeat section 4 of part 2. Bring your left arm up in front of you with your elbow bent at a 90-degree angle and your palm facing in, then put the side of your right hand on the inside of your left elbow as you tilt your head to the left and bend your right knee. Wait 2 counts, then bend your left knee and slide your right hand from your left shoulder down to your right hip. Bring your left hand up near your right shoulder, then shake it over to the left and bend your right knee.